Namaskar. Greetings from your mining mentor H.R. Ghosh. Today's topic: rank of coal, grade of coal, and analysis of coal. This is for Basic Mining Group 1, Session 12. You can find the links of all handwritten notes in the description box on these entire topics. Classification of coal by rank. Rank of coal. Broadly, coal is grouped as lignite, bituminous coal, semi-anthracite, and anthracite. This is according to the amount of coalification subjected to the vegetable matter during burial. So, in rank we get 4 ranks: lignite, bituminous coal, semi-anthracite, and anthracite. Coming to grades of coal. For commercial purposes, coal is graded in the following groups: the coking coal, steel grade and washery grade, semi-coking coal and weakly coking coal. And third is non-coking coal. The basis of gradation. For coking coal, the basis is ash content. For semi-coking and weakly coking coal, the basis is ash and moisture content. And for non-coking coal, it is gross calorific value or GCV. According to current notification in Ministry of Coal, coking coal has 2 steel grades and 6 washery grades, depending on ash content, varying from not exceeding 15% and not exceeding 49%. For semi and weakly coking coal, it has 2 grades depending on ash and moisture content, varying from not exceeding 19% and not exceeding 24%. For non-coking coal, it has 17 grades from G1 to G17, depending on gross calorific value. So grade 1 is exceeding 7,000 kilocalorie per kg, and for grade 17 it is exceeding 2,200 but not exceeding 2,500 kilocalorie per kg of coal. And all these 17 grades, they have given these calorific values. So this is the grade of coal, commercial grade. Analysis of coal. Coal analysis is expressed in 2 ways. One is proximate analysis and the other is ultimate analysis. For proximate analysis, in this method, percentage of the following are furnished. They are fixed carbon, volatile matter, ash, and moisture. The analysis is expressed on an ash-free dry basis, that is excluding the ash and moisture content. So this is proximate analysis. Fixed carbon, volatile matter, ash and moisture. Now what is volatile matter? Volatile matter comprises those gaseous products driven off from coal when heated to about 900 degrees centigrade out of contact with air. It includes hydrogen and various inflammable hydrocarbons. And what is ash? The coke residue left after driving off all the volatile matter and the moisture consists of fixed carbon and ash. In ash, generally found silica or sand or silicates, alumina, iron oxides, magnesia, alkalis. These are found in the ash. Coming to ultimate analysis, this furnishes the percentages of the elements contained in the coal, namely carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Again, these are expressed on an ash-free dry basis. Example of proximate analysis expressed in percentage. Say Jharia coalfield, Bhaddi seam, fixed carbon 54.5%, volatile matter 31%, moisture 1.7%, ash 14.5%. So this is a report of proximate analysis of a coal of Bhaddi seam in Jharia coalfield. Ultimate analysis example, say the Raniganj coalfield Disagar seam. One analysis shows the ultimate analysis: carbon 68.34%, hydrogen 4.16%, oxygen 12.50%, nitrogen 1.96%, sulfur 0.55%, moisture 2.20%, and ash 10.29%. Total 100. So this is the analysis of coal. Our next topic will be coking coal and non-coking coal. Please give your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.